Hey yo, it's Chris O. I've just got one more hole to fill up. The owner did his own DIY strip out and sheet with the help of his father-in-law. They did the right thing, they did a good thing. I just use a hammer. You just got to make a hole for your fittings, and then if it's slightly bigger than it should be, don't worry about it. You just bog it up. Oh. Like here, they had two holes. They mismeasured the old 100mm trick, but you know, you just put this over it, bog it up, no biggie. So if you do make a mistake, people, or you do make your hole a little bit too big, don't worry about it. It's easy fixed. Where is my... like this. Now what I'm about to do is, and I don't see it very often, and you people have seen it on my videos so much, and that is seal your walls. Get rid of the dust. Waterproofing does not stick to dust. Tiling does not stick to, you know, glue does not stick to dust. I don't have to, I'm coming up to here, but they are VJ boarding this wall and then putting the vanity in. They'll be going against my tile, a bead of silicone up there, beautiful. That's just going to be skirting tile, and down there is skirting tile. So it's all going to be fantastic. Yeah, so that's how you bog up your holes. Easy peasy. This is a real biggie though, people. You know why I don't see it, I don't know. But DIYs, please do it. If you don't want to listen, well, don't bother watching my channel. This is very important. You know, people think, oh, have I got the right glue and all that? Well, you might as well use flour and water. If you don't prime your walls, just use flour and water, because it's all going to fall off anyway. And I can show you on other videos that when I've stripped out, I never used to. I've been doing this for years and I never used to. I wasn't taught to prime my walls first. I've only been sort of priming my walls, I don't know, last 10 years. But things change. And you've got to change change your habits. You change your habits. That's why I don't smoke and don't drink. You change your habits. Right, we're just gonna go a skirting. I'm not quite sure how they want it, so I won't come up too high with it. But if I do come up too high, they can easily paint over it anyway. But I certainly hope you're learning something, people. I average a bathroom a week. If I did everything by the book and by the instructions, which they are mainly for the people that make the product, it covers their ass. If I stuck exactly to instructions, I'd have to have like 5 bathrooms on the go at once. If I had to wait so many days for this, so many days for that, so many days for the other, nah. I'll be doing my floor as well, and then I turn the fan on, dry it for a little while I'm getting things sorted out with the waterproof. Alright people, I'll come back to you shortly. I don't want to bore you. I'm about to do the floor now. I'll come back when I'm waterproofing. Yo!